Police detectives on Saturday was the major break they needed to crack open the Bank of Guam robbery. The unnamed individual told police that the idea to rob the Yigo branch actually began early in the morning on February 6th at Antonio Roke Quitugua's Yigo home. Court documents indicate that approximately $11,000 was stolen during the armed robbery. Quitugua was picked up by police on Saturday evening. And according to the unnamed individual, he, Quitugua, and two others discussed robbing the bank and talked about one person scouting the bank to ensure there were no law enforcement present while the two would wait in the jungle nearby. The unnamed individual said he was not allowed to rob the bank because the others had doubts about whether he could be trusted. According to the plan, the two hitmen would rob the bank and the scout would return to Quitugua's house. The person mentioned that Quitugua's truck would be used as the scout vehicle. And sure enough, when police reviewed the surveillance video from the day of the bank robbery, they found Quitugua's truck in the parking lot just minutes before the crime happened. But when he was picked up by police, Quitugua initially denied involvement and provided an alibi for the day of the robbery. According to court documents, though, when shown a photo of his truck at the bank, he stated, quote, "Expletive, dog, that's my truck." He then told police he didn't remember who was driving his truck that day, but said he was the only one who operates the vehicle. He then said he couldn't remember any details because he was high on ice. As we reported, Police Chief Fred Bordallo confirmed that the bank robbery was tied to drug use. Quitugua had been arrested with a group of other individuals less than 2 weeks ago in connection with the burglary of a Yigo home where numerous firearms and ammunition were stolen. Police have not said if they believe any of those stolen firearms were used in the bank robbery. No other information has been released as the case remains under investigation. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Mindy Egan.